Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all again on behalf of the SI chapters record of Vit-Ap University. So we'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is recursions and I discussed about it like 2 days ago. So what I'll do today, I'll just head on with an example and a question problem. So okay, let's start with it. So if you didn't watch that video, it may be flashing on your eye tab, and we'll add the link for that video in the description also. You can check out from there. So we'll take a look at this topic today, and yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a example problem in which we will be converting decimal number to a binary number using this recursion. So yeah, let's take a look at this topic. So I have loaded up this image from this Baidu site and you can look over here. So for converting this binary number to this decimal number to this binary number, first of all we need a number which is 100 in this case, and what we do, we divide it by 2 because the base of binary number, it is 2. We divide the number by 2 again and again till we get 1, and if we divide 1 by 2 we'll get 0. So eventually we divide the number by 2 again and again, so that we get our answer or this binary number. So I'll take a look at this. I'll walk you through my mind process. How do I approach this kind of problem? So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so let me just zoom it out, add it over here. Yeah, so if I look at some problem like this, so first of all, what comes to my mind? It is list or array. So what I'll do, I'll just create an array, let's say L, and let's leave it empty for me. For timing, let's leave it empty. We'll add some data to it. And yeah, if I'm using recursion in this case, so yeah, we have to define some function, and let's say it is convert. Let's name it convert, and it has a parameter, let's say b. And in this, I told you in the previous video that for recursion we need 3 conditions. We have to fulfill 3 conditions. First of all, the most important one, it is a base case. So look at this picture. When we divide 1 by 2, we'll get 0 as a quotient. So it will be a base case in this case. So for that base case, what I want my code to stop as soon as we get 0 if we divide this quotient by 2. So yeah, so it should be, if b is equal to 0, then return L. Okay, so I'll return this list as soon as the value of b, it is equal to 0. And now what we have to do, we have to find this reminder again and again. So for finding this reminder, what I'll do, I'll create one more variable, let's say dig, and what it does, it stores the value of this reminder. So it will be equal to b %2. So it will store this reminder, and this reminder, what I'm thinking to store this reminder in this list. Okay, so for doing that, I'm using append method. And yeah, so this is our second condition, which is calculation. We are calculating something and we are storing it in a list. So yeah, it is second step of doing this recursion. First step, it is the base case. Second step, it is doing some calculations, and third step, to call it again. So for calling it again and again, I am just using convert, and the number I'm passing. So look over here. First of all, we are dividing 100 by 2. After that, we are dividing 50 by 2. So 100, when we divide 100 by 2, 50. 58 is the quotient. So what we'll do, we'll divide quotient by 2 again and again. Quotient of 50 when divided by 2 is 25. Then we'll pass 25 as the number and we'll divide 25 again. So it will happen like this. So that's why in our case, it'll be b divided by 2. So I hope this should work. Let's try it. So let's do convert and let's say 6. Yeah, one more thing. For reading it as binary number, what we have to do, we have to read it from down to up. Like when 100 it is converted to binary, it will be 100,100. No, it will be 1100,100, not 0010011. It won't be like this. So that's why what we need to do, we have to reverse our list. So for doing that, we just have to do l.reverse. So this reverse method, it will reverse our list, and yeah, let's print our list for I, and let's say L, print so I hope this should work. Let's see. Yeah, you can see over here, you can take a look over here, the binary form of 6, it is 110. So I hope it is clear to you guys. You can try more problems by yourself. Like, it is very important topic and you should focus on this. If you have any doubt or any problem, you can just ask us in the comment section. If you still have any doubt, you can also rewind the video, take another look at it. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.